Updating your payment information on YouTube is essential for managing subscriptions and purchases. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Open the YouTube app or website and sign into your account using your Google credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments or Billing section. Click on it to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update payment information. Select the option to edit or add a new payment method. Enter your updated payment details such as credit card information or billing address and save the changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. Review your updated payment information to ensure everything is correct. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment details have been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on YouTube.